you doing?
We'll start talking about it first and then.
Okay, fine.
Because every half an hour that's gonna stop recording and I'll not have to get up and press record again.
Okay, fine.
That's what you get when you don't spend money for these.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
We
so
did a whole
Diya,
movie
why
without
are you
spending
here?
money.
Why are you here? Tell people why you're here.
I'm here because I made a short film, which
Yeah.
Tanay has very sweetly decided to
We're all gonna
talk about it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're all
Called
gonna
Not
talk about
Alone. It's a movie on women's empowerment,
Yeah.
and I'm very proud of it.
As you should be.
As I should
As
be.
you should be.
As I should be.
Wrote the story, directed it, and
Yeah.
acted in it also.
I did.
Along with Sanaya.
Yeah.
How did you come up with the idea of making movies? Because for all the fans that are going to be watching this of yours that already know you, they know you from making funny videos. 'Cause
Yes.
You're a very funny person.
True.
So how did you come up with like, okay, I don't want to make just funny videos. I want to do this also.
Actually, I'm 50% funny, 50% emotional. So one day I was coming back from a friend's house and I was just driving. I was not driving, I was sitting in the car. And I was just looking out the window and this idea just came into my head beginning to end. And then I went home and I wrote the script the same night. And then I called Ritvik the next day and I told him I have this idea and can we make it into a movie? That's literally it. That's it. It came into my head beginning to end.
Okay. So then how did
It's
you
like it was
get-
meant to come into my head,
So
basically.
okay, then once you spoke to Ritvik who shot it and all,
Yeah.
what was the next step after that?
So then after I spoke to Ritvik, we did a short breakdown. No, sorry first. We did a recce. So we drove around.
No, first you contacted
Huh.
me.
So I'm so sorry. First I contacted Sanaya and she was like, I accept the role. And I was like, okay, yeah. Cool. And I said, I'm making, I may be doing a short film. And she's like, I accept. There's no need. I accept. So I was like, okay, fine, cool. So I casted her. But so she's very talented and she acted in school. And she sings. And she's a triple threat. And she also has a very, very great art Instagram account called Window Seat Boy.
Yeah, I mean,
Window seat boy.
Yeah.
I am an artist.
She's
So
an
the
artist
art account is
first.
just like a kind of like a visual diary kind of thing.
Why is
It's
it
not.
called Window Seat Boy?
I feel like that's a whole other story which we can discuss another time. Right now, it's not about me right
But
now.
she's sitting at the window, but she's looking inwards.
And she's a boy.
The boy part was simply because girl was taken, and I was like, fuck it, it doesn't
Okay.
matter.
But I feel like boy sounds cooler.
That
like
is your
generally cooler. It
internalized
does.
misogyny. Yeah.
No. Don't say this when I've made a full movie about freaking women's
But that's the
empowerment.
truth.
It's
See,
not the
people-
truth.
No, but people say things without you.
No, I didn't mean it sounded cooler because can we talk about anything else? So basically, the question was then I contacted Sanaya. She accepted the role before I asked.
Yeah.
And then after that, we went on a recce and we saw some really nice roads
Yeah.
with Ritvik.
Mhm.
And we sort of picked out roads and he sort of like said which roads he liked depending on lighting and stuff. And that's how we picked our roads. And we actually just shot on 2 roads.
How long was the whole shoot? Like how many days?
Oh, God.
So long. Oh my god.
Really?
It's not that
It
long.
was so long.
It was not that
It was
long.
so
It
long.
was
How many days
episode-
was
It was
That's-
2 days. It was 2
That's-
nights. No, and the thing,
that's not
the thing is,
No, but it was hectic.
the thing is also because we had to only shoot at night. We could only start
Yeah.
at a certain time when the roads were empty and when you couldn't just be like at 10. We couldn't even go at 10 o'clock because then you know how people just like the second they see a camera, everyone's just like, what are they doing? We
Yeah.
need to see. We need to, and we actually like had a lot of problems which Diya can talk about.
Yeah.
With
So-
filming on that
No.
desolate road.
So actually we started shooting both nights at around 10 and we were like, okay, 4-minute film tops 1 night. We did not
Yeah.
think it would be 2 nighs from 10 to 5. But that's because I'm a creepy perfectionist
I was
and
just gonna
Ritvik
say
is a
that.
creepy perfectionist. So the combo is a bit like if I said, okay, we've got the shot, he'd be like, but yeah, I think we should take one more. If he said we got the
Yeah,
shot,
but
I'd say we
that's
should
good.
take one more.
It shows
Sanaya
also,
was
yeah.
designated chappal holder.
But
She used
she's
to,
in it
she
now,
was,
see the chappal.
when she wasn't in it.
I actually really
And she
enjoyed
did tracking for Ritvik.
like watching the process. as
tracking.
Yeah,
well.
she tracked him. Like when he had to walk in front of me, she
Yeah.
stood behind him to make sure he didn't trip. It was
Oh,
a
okay,
really
okay.
budget
was
budget
a-
But
film.
that's good.
With a
That's
very
Yeah,
good
yeah,
job.
yeah.
Without
I was-
Sanaya,
I was.
he would have fallen down and there would have been no movie.
He would've.
So
But
Yeah.
I think the fact that you worked the whole night like that, both
Yeah.
nights, it shows because there's so many different little
Yeah.
shots
Yeah.
there. so it
Correct.
comes through.
And the thing is, like, with me through this process, I learned how much effort goes into making something like this. Because if
Yeah.
I saw it, like, I would definitely appreciate it. But because I was there and I saw the entire process, I know that even like 5 seconds is like maybe like 1 hour's worth of
Yeah.
footage.
Yeah.
It's like a lot of work, and you can see how much effort. And like, because we filmed in November, Dia was like, I'm gonna put it out in December, it's gonna be out. Team. And every single week there would be like, okay, so this week it can't happen because I'm just not feeling it. Then the next week it's like, no, Ritvik, we must fix the footsteps and pour. And
Oh
like
God.
Dia
Yeah,
was
so
like,
I
okay.
think we'll talk about the whole editing conundrum
That's
like
what-
last, because it's a really
And I was like, Dia, you know what? Whatever you feel comfortable with,
Yeah.
this is your baby. Like, just take your time. And she was like, I know.
But soon
now-
Sanaya was saying it through like gritted teeth, and she's like, whatever you're comfortable with, just
Yeah,
take your
man,
time.
for sure.
Because when we were dawning in on February 1st, and I was still talking about different edits and different cuts, and I was like,
But this one is just ever so slightly pink.
I was
I
like,
think we
Ritvik, I
need
think
it.
it's just 0.5 seconds off. I think we need to. No, and you know what? There's only one dialogue,
Yeah.
and we practiced it like Sanaya. We practiced that dialogue
We
many
practiced that.
times. So
And,
And we
Madam Perfectionist
Many
here,
times,
I
perfectionist.
would say, and like, so when we filmed it, I said the line, right? And then we had to dub over it. And luckily, like we discussed, I was wearing a mask. So it didn't have to be exactly perfect.
Yeah.
But it did have to be exactly perfect.
Yeah,
You know, and
yeah.
Dia was like, I've watched it so many times. I love the way you said it. Now you will say it exactly like that. And I was like, I'll try my best. Okay. And
Yeah.
then she'd be like, pause and then like breathe like this and do it like this. And I was like, yeah, I'm trying my best here, you know,
But it's
like.
just, yeah.
But then see, it showed
And
you
I was like,
also,
Sanaya,
right?
how
It's like a
dare
whole
you
other-
not sound like how you sounded in that cut that I have listened to 800 times? And then we had to do the running. You know, when I run and I have to pant, right?
That was
So then
funny.
I had to go and pant in the mic.
It was pretty hard.
And it was and it was just so embarrassing because I was just panting. I'm not gonna demonstrate it, but I was just panting, and Ritvik and Sanaya are just dying on the
Because we can hear
side.
it on
Of course.
we can hear it. Like,
Yeah,
really,
on the
It's
headphones.
very
Yeah,
intimate,
yeah,
you know.
Intimate panting.
To have
You
it.
should do a little
Mhm.
bit practice for
Yeah,
No, I
come on.
really
Sure,
feel
I
like
But no,
Basically.
but it's good, right? Because then it showed you, and
Yeah.
hopefully now this will also show a lot of people that when you film something, it's still you have to make all the sound adjustments. Because I know sound was the biggest problem for you. It's just
Yes,
figuring out
sound.
music first, and then all the sound effects and just everything on top of that.
And like without Ritvik, I would have just died. Like he helped me so much with sound, and like he would like we would sit and chop up the footsteps, and it
did
was
like
just
we did like a
Ritvik
Zoom
here?
call.
Ritvik is not here
also.
because he is on Recce.
He's a talented.
Yeah, he's always on
talented
Recce.
man.
Dude,
We
like
can't- we can't.
yeah, he's too cool.
No, but I remember one time Dia was like, Ritvik, I need your help. Like she was editing, and she was like, we'll do a Zoom call, and I was like, I also want to be on the Zoom call for no reason.
This was our whole our whole experience summed up in a line. Yeah.
No, it's good.
Yeah, so she was but then we had many a fun Zoom call.
We did.
Okay, so walk me through how you like when the edit started and then how it kept going through that step by step until like I know the final version came out maybe it
No.
was finished before maybe a month before you
Yeah,
put it out.
yeah.
So until that point, what were all the steps that you took to figure it out? Because I know there was different steps and process
Yeah.
of elimination and all that.
So first, when I finished like shooting it, I just didn't look at it for a bit because I was I just didn't want to look at it. Then I thought, I don't know how to edit that well, so maybe I won't edit it myself. But then I was like, no, you know what? I'll edit it myself. So then I started the editing process, and I just kept going and going. Then I took a lot of breaks. And I think one day you came over. That did happen, and that's when I started the actual chasing scene. Till then, I hadn't even started that scene, and that was like end November, early December. Then December, I was distracted. Then in January, I
It really sounds like you wasted a lot of time. I thought it would be more.
I know.
No,
No.
but I
And then
what
but basically
happened
in January, I really went for it, and that's when I started to piss Ritvik off because I just drove him mad. And every time he'd send me a new cut, I'd be like, no, Ritvik, we gotta change this, we gotta change this, we have to change this, change this, change this, change this. And it was just, and then of course we finished the whole thing. He sent it to me, it was done, color graded, everything. I called him up and I was like, the footsteps are sounding off. So he was like, well, okay. So then he changed the footsteps, sent it back to me.
But
He
I'm glad-
should have been here for this. He would have told
He would
you.
have just been so like he would never.
He'd be like, no,
complain.
Dia,
No,
no,
but-
nothing,
so
nothing.
sweet
And you know what he
about it.
does? Like, every time I used to be like, can you please change this? He'd be like, okay, you with that little, that
So
face,
sweet.
that face is
So
just like this,
sweet. So
that
sweet.
face.
Too sweet.
Okay, that's
But-
good.
Like the patience.
The patience of that
boy
man,
has.
really, God, oh God.
It's a big tribute to Hrithik
Big
now,
tribute. We
so-
love you, Ritvik. He's too good.
I don't know.
No,
what
but
to
because
say.
of him, the film got the feel that it did. Like just the
Yeah.
way he shot it, the lighting, it just so perfect. How he.
How did you come about thinking of making all of those choices?
So I knew the look I wanted,
Hmm.
but he definitely helped me to like make that look a reality because obviously I don't shoot, right?
Hmm.
So he definitely knew, he understood what I wanted from the beginning. Like he understood the kind of lighting I wanted, and I wanted the shadow and light play a lot. And also when Sanaya's character is mostly in shadows through the whole movie, but when she actually is revealed, I'm in shadow and she's in light.
Hmm.
Because
Oh,
that's
yeah,
her moment.
Okay. So
Yeah.
In the
But-
video, there'll be a little bit thing here with the movie playing.
Huh.
You can explain
My
what it was.
masculine
No, but can we watch it
swagger
though? Can we
was-
watch
Yeah,
it?
we can watch it. You can
Huh,
just pull it
'cause-
up on your phone. I'll put it up on my phone also, and I'll just put it in later.
Okay.
Yeah.
We can like rest the phone.
No, we just look at it like
Okay,
normal
fine.
people look at it. We don't
Okay,
have to
fine.
make it like a movie experience. See, that's
How
the-
dare you say
the
this?
thing is, right? The
Mhm.
big thing.
Okay,
with
let's
this
watch it.
Is that normally people try to make this very like serious and all, but I find that it's way better. if you
It's
do
It's
it
more
like
fun.
that.
It's more fun.
more
Okay, but anyway, it'll be
genuine, like, you
playing,
don't-
right? And all
Yeah,
this
yeah,
shit's gonna be
yeah.
cut out of the film anyways. Fuck it. Okay.
Yeah. So now
Yeah, so this shot we rehearsed 800 times.
at the beginning.
But I really just loved, and this cat just randomly came.
There were so many dogs and like cats around us that night. It was so
yes,
cute.
so okay. Now
It was
is
so
all
cute.
of this in the same lane? In the
Yeah,
same
this is
place?
all in the same lane, and this is very.
No, the whole movie's in the
No,
same
no, no.
place?
This is in one. I'll tell you when the lanes change. And this, so these expressions that I'm making, I
Mhm.
was actually scared when I was shooting, which I think is so ironic. And we were discussing it because
Wait,
we're
so
making a
the-
movie on women's safety,
Mhm.
but I was scared shooting it. I kept thinking something would happen.
But was there any were there any people up?
No, it was very fine, but I was just scared in general
Yeah.
that something will happen, someone will see, and there's just Ritvik and me and Sanaya, and I was just worried that something would happen, which is
Yeah.
so funny and it's so ironic.
Yeah.
And then this is where the road changes, and now
Okay, so now it's a different lane.
it's a
this is the
different
that
lane.
goes on to the end.
yeah, and I wanted the cat thing to carry on.
So then, okay, did you think about
Oh,
that?
it's
while-
Saraya's arrived.
Did you think
So-
about all these things with the cat? And the
No,
way you
no,
wanted to
that
show
came in
the-
editing. That came in
came
editing.
later.
But when Sanaya entered, I spent a lot of time thinking about sound. And then one day I was sitting in an ambulance just past my house. And then I decided to add an ambulance sound.
Yeah, I remember for a long time it was different types of music.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, I
what
feel like
Darling was
the sound is so much more ominous than music because it's like a
Yeah.
And with this also, you wanted something more ominous like that. That's why, okay, so a lot of the things which I like about it, which I've like kind of kept in mind. I've seen
Huh.
this many times.
Yeah.
So the way you kind of stack the shots on top of each other to kind of get that feeling like, you know, you're constantly looking behind your back and you
Hmm.
can never quite catch what's there, but it's definitely there. Stuff like that, I really enjoyed
Yeah.
the editing of it because, like, especially with stuff like this, you can get so bogged down in like, oh, the suspense of who's there, and it gets really boring because then you realize, okay, it's one person who's following another person.
Yeah.
Like, you understand that pretty quickly, but with this, I was still able to like kind of build up. Okay, they're getting that whole thing of the person's getting closer and what's gonna be the
Yeah.
confrontation like. That was really strongly built up.
And
So I
that
liked
was
that a lot.
just exhausting to edit because I did it so many times because I wanted, like, when I finally saw it, I just wanted to watch it and say, okay, I'm happy.
Mhm.
That took till February.
But then see, that's how long it takes sometimes because you wanna make sure stuff like this right. Like there's
Yeah.
so many things which I've also made where it never feels right for a long time.
Yeah.
But then I think when it was the ambulance sounds, I think that's when it kind of
And she did it so well, like her walk,
Mhm.
her swagger, the swagger was like ridiculous. She really did it so
You know,
well.
She didn't want to reveal you for a long time. She
I
didn't want
know.
to.
No, yeah.
she's like kept me in the, she was like, like I remember the day that we filmed it or something. There was this one picture that I took and I was holding the
Oh,
camera and I thought, I was like, I look so sick here. I'm gonna like, just put this up with no context. She's like, Sanaya, delete it. I don't want people to know that you. And this was in November, okay? So
Oh,
if
man.
people would have not made the connection from November to now, but I was like, yeah, of course. And then she was like, I really want to tag you, but I can't because then people will know.
Yeah.
And then I wanted, and I was like, it's fine, it's okay. At the end, like eventually people will see me, and it's like it's not a big deal. But like
Yeah.
I was hidden.
But and even like every time someone would be like, okay, so, and I'd be like, I have another actor, and they'd be like, who is it? And I'd be like, just a person. And everyone's like, we don't care that much about your stupid short film,
No,
dude. Like,
but,
it's not.
I understand wanting to keep it a bit of.
Yeah, because it's the whole thing. Like, even
Yeah.
now, like, I still
Don't
don't want people to know because that's the whole point is gone.
No,
But
that's
now it doesn't
okay.
matter.
See, the thing with that is, that's what I was telling you earlier also, is that even if people know that it's a girl who's following it, the whole message doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah, no.
It's still
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
You're
It's
still,
just like the shock
But
value
the shock
just
is
changes.
good. The shock is good. And people have been saying, like, oh, I got chills and all. Now, you're not going to get chills if you already know what's happening.
that's true. That's true.
So-
I just,
But it.
And the thing is like the thing is like I'm not like a big person, so when we were walking, Diya and Ritvik would just keep laughing at me.
yeah.
Okay, which was really not encouraging for me. Like when you're behind the camera, you don't want the director and the cameraman being like and there were so many takes where they were just like laughing at me because I was trying to be as like
Yeah.
big as possible, but there's only so much that
And for some reason, like, I don't even mean it in any way. I thought she was bigger. I don't know why. Like, I
It's
just
my-
thought she
it's
was
my-
more
I
athletic,
guess
and
it's
my
I thought she was
personality, it's
taller.
my
I thought she was
personality.
taller. I don't know why. And when I actually saw her, I was like, oh. So then I was like, Sanaya, come on, I'm gonna get the walk right, because like you're a little smaller than I thought. You know,
it happens.
it
It's
happens.
fine,
It happens.
And also, you played it pretty smartly with the whole hoodie thing.
Oh
Mm,
god,
It's
and
fine.
also because her bun.
Yeah,
So
that-
we can't control that, right? Obviously. So we had to cut a lot. Like,
Yeah.
actually, you never really see the back of her head except in the
Hmm.
one shot. Otherwise, it's like some shady shoulder and some arm. And
All the shoes also.
but
Her
she
shoes
did
are
it
like-
so well. Like, honestly, she nailed it.
She wouldn't be here if she did it.
Yeah.
badly,
No, she nailed
Like,
it. No.
suck that.
No.
No,
No,
don't tell
And
me
shut
that.
she was
up.
horrible. That's why she's not here right now. But
No. She is,
to
no,
me.
she was
No,
too
that
good.
was great. So now,
thanks.
And her eyes, I think we should talk about the last
talk about
scene. If I watch it.
you want to watch it.
But like
Yeah.
the last scene, I think everybody really
Yes.
liked it, and that's because of Sanaya's eyes. This dramatic music. Wait, we went to in front. I'm so happy we can cut all this stuff out.
No, it's all going to be there.
No.
It's going to be a nice 2-hour long thing.
No,
about
please, why
looking
2
for
hours?
scenes
No one's
on
gonna
the
watch
Instagram.
it.
No, this is why I keep talking, right? So people are in constant.
Okay, where am I going? Hold on. Okay, so this is the part where it's getting really intense.
Yeah.
Taking out
Like a
my
Chris
pepper
Nolan movie.
spray, and I'm ready
Is
to
that really pepper spray?
fataka.
We'll
Whatever.
talk
Let's
about
not.
that.
It's not really
We
pepper
will
spray,
talk
but
about
let's not
that.
even talk about it.
We will.
So yeah, so
Yeah.
this is the only line in the whole movie,
Mhm.
and look at how cutely she says it. So cute. And also because I watched her grow up. I don't want to sound like an auntie, but I
Yeah,
really
you sound
watched
like
her
an
grow
auntie.
up, and she's always been so cute, and her eyes are so like big and full of expression
That's
that actually I wanted her to focus on the eyes because we're wearing masks, right?
Yeah.
But then once I actually saw her eyes, I put even more emphasis on the eyes, and our whole shoot was just me telling Sanaya to smile in different ways,
Yeah,
to
and the
look
thing
in
is,
different ways.
Like, at one point, she was like, "Okay, we're wearing the mask." So when you smile with your mask, you just go like, and she's like, "Smile more." And I was like, under the mask, and she was like, "More." And literally, I'm under the mask like this. There's this one part in the thing where my eyes are like, she's like, "Smile more, smile more." Yeah, this is it. This is all like. This
Yeah,
is the,
Sanaya's like
this is the length
dying.
my face goes. It does
Yeah.
not get more than this.
No, that's good. That's again, it shows commitment, and it all shows in the movie. also.
Yeah,
It all
no,
comes
we
across.
did it really well, and we actually, in fact, this scene we didn't practice that many times because
Yeah, it just had
it
to
just
happen.
came nicely.
How many practices was it?
Like
Because
10.
no, we had to do because we had to shoot hers and then mine.
Yeah,
So
and
like, it
Sanaya
was the-
came over prepared. So like we actually did, I think Sanaya's was about 3-4 takes.
Wow.
which is nothing. And all.
I wasn't over
So this the whole like sigh of relief thing was that there also from the beginning.
Yeah, sigh of relief. In fact, we specially shot it was called Sigh of Relief, and we kept practicing the sigh of relief 100 times.
Why? It's a sigh of
And
relief.
this is just a very sweet moment of understanding between the two
Yeah,
of them.
this
that,
is
like,
very the thing
And
that
she
came
I
in.
wanted
understand
the
that-
understanding laugh which she made us do, which is
Oh
just
God,
like,
yeah.
that part my eyes. Just wait, no, now. Yeah.
That's-
I wasn't. You can't tell,
Hey guys,
but I
let's
was
not make
just.
a mockery of a beautiful thing, okay?
No. Of course.
Stop.
Of course.
No, but see, and now
Okay.
I say, let us walk together. Aww.
Yeah.
A little gunda, like.
Cue senti music as we walk into the distance. This was a very sweet scene.
Yeah.
And
no,
I
it
think she and
closes
I were
it
both
perfectly.
relieved because actually we were done now with shooting. So this was like the
So
last
finally
shot.
get off the streets again.
Yeah. And I love like the end of the movie where like we look at each other and then it fades to black.
Mhm.
So that was really
No, he
nice.
closed it really well. That's what I'm saying. The whole start and the build up and everything was done really, really well.
Yeah. And it was very important for me to keep it in Hindi, and also when I was like writing in English to keep it also have the Hindi version of it.
Mm-hmm.
Because it didn't feel right in English. Like when she said the line in English, it just didn't feel right. Like it had to be in Hindi.
Hmm?
It just, I don't know why. English was just not clicking.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
It's fine.
I didn't. No.
Yeah, exactly. Like, sorry, I didn't want to walk alone. Doesn't have the same.
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely no. It's I think what you finally put out is like the perfect version of it, and because you sat on it also for a while, so you know also
Yeah.
it's the perfect version.
No, I think by the time, when I saw the final cut, I was like, okay,
This
I'm
is it.
happy.
But
This
there
is
was a lot of thinking.
Yeah.
Lots of
Yeah.
WhatsApp messages back and forth
Back and
about
forth.
lots of various scenarios of ways that things could go wrong.
Oh yeah. But we won't talk about
We
those on
won't
the. I no, dude. I was worried about lots of things, which there's no need to bring them up
no,
now
it's
because
fine.
they didn't.
We cleared
Okay.
them up. We
cleared them
Is
up
this
and just-
about the
no, no.
copyright claim?
No, shut up. There are no copyright claims. just by the
Exactly,
way.
which is
Please
what
cut
I.
that part out, seriously.
No, why? It's
Stop it. No,
funny.
no.
It's funny. No
It's
one
not
can
funny.
copyright claim a person saying. So what is the worry?
No, don't say it. Seriously, I'm gonna send you messages.
I'll put bleeps over every time I say. So no one knows.
There's
Talking
no-
about-
Because
Again, bleep. No one knows what you're
looked
talking
at it
about.
800 times and
Yes.
I'm overly nerdy about
Yes.
everything.
No,
so
you're not. No. Nerdy is the wrong word.
Cautious.
You have friends who are nerdy
Okay.
and who you inflicted the cautiousness onto.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can say the name and then bleep it out.
No, we will not.
No,
be
because
saying-
I uploaded the video once on Instagram to check
Oh
if it
God,
got
so
copyright
basically,
claim.
can we not talk about this? Like literally, I'm gonna cut this whole part out.
No, it's gonna
So-
just be bleeped. Rest of it will all be there. I promise. I'll not cut it.
Okay.
I'll put it repeated here. The same thing. So your face is huge while you're talking about this.
Love that.
Okay.
Okay, so now I don't have any more questions about how you made it.
Okay.
Because is there any because no, it's pretty straightforward how you put it together, right? You met
Yeah.
Ritvik. You had the idea first. You wrote it all down. You met Ritvik. Ritvik is an experienced cinematographer, so he kind of took it from there in terms
Respect,
of shooting.
mad respect.
And then while shooting, it seems like you just step by step kept practicing,
Yeah.
and then got it finally. And then just got a lot, which is the best thing to do.
Yeah.
So that when you put it, and then editing again, like it's different for everyone, but I think you did a pretty good go of
No,
it.
I'm very happy with how it turned out.
I think you don't give yourself enough credit
Yeah.
also because you know a lot of this stuff already. Like
Yeah.
the videos that you made before this, like albeit not as complicated maybe in terms of shooting all of it, but the editing is still there.
Yeah. No, I
The-
definitely I
No,
love to
timing,
edit and I
yeah.
love timing.
Yeah, that timing, the pacing, and everything, you already know it
Yeah.
instinctually. That's why I used to tell you before also, even back in the early days since we've known each other for years, and she got interested
Stop.
in making videos.
Yeah.
No, nothing like that. But I showed her like how to use the camera and all, and already you had like the instinct for it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say this all now only because
For sure.
I don't know if I'll say it again publicly.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
I tell her
See,
all-
but that's true. Like he was like I remember this, and we went
Yeah.
on the terrace and we were doing some like
Just
you
what?
were helping
Don't
me.
say it like
No.
that. Fucking
No.
describe
We
it.
went on the terrace.
Yeah,
and-
what?
Yeah.
No, I was just showing her how to take pictures and how to use the
Yeah,
camera
no,
because
no.
she had an interest in
Huh,
making
yeah,
videos
yeah,
and
yeah.
she has already
Basically,
always
what he's
had
saying,
an
he
interest in
shot
that
me,
thing.
but then the student became the teacher. In other words, so
What?
Don't think that's
What
what
are
he
you
was.
saying?
He was not saying that.
Just-
no.
just
Anyways, I'm saying
joking.
that you have always had
Yeah,
instinct
it's-
for
I have
writing.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is finally like a nice.
It's
And-
everything coming together
Yeah.
basically in one
So
shebang.
that's how we made the movie and everything. Now
Yeah.
once you put it out there,
Oh, God.
what was your plan for putting it out and how was the
So
reception?
I was very nervous.
Hmm.
Shocker. And then I panicked when I put it out for the first time because I thought I'd put up the wrong clip. So I had a breakdown, almost
What?
started crying. My parents were
How?
like, get your shit together. I was like, oh God, it's the wrong one. It's the wrong one. They were like, it's not the wrong one. It's fine. It's fine.
How did you think it was the wrong one? How
Because
much
I'm
did you
just
have?
mad.
But you should always have like.
I
one
had
final-
it. I
delete
didn't do
the rest.
nothing. It wasn't the wrong one. I knew it was the wrong one. I favorited it. It was the last thing. I kept it at the end,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. As you should.
Whatever. But then
And
it
then
went
it was
out.
the right one, right?
It went out, but I have to say, like, however nervous I was, I knew it was a good film, so I knew it would be received well, but I didn't expect the amount of support it would get, and like all these women who are messaging me and telling me their experiences and all
Yeah.
have really touched my heart, because I never even, you know, when you're making stuff, you always just think about views and likes, and you never think about just like it reaching the right people. And that's what I think happened with this one. Like, I'm very happy with the views, no complaint. But like the main part is that it reached people who really
And it
resonated.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No?
Yeah. And I feel like something that we thought about whilst we were making this, like at least it played on my mind a lot, was like when you're creating something, you have to think about whose voice you're using, and you don't want to kind of overstep and kind of appropriate someone's struggle. And a part of me was like, are we the right people to be telling this story? Because we're obviously, like, you know, so lucky to be so privileged and to be in a situation where we can be creating stuff like this instead of it being a lived reality. But then I realized that this is actually something that I felt on like a micro scale and something that I've experienced genuinely. So it's not like this is a specific person's struggle. Like, it is genuinely something, like she said, every woman, like even my mother's generation, even the generation below us, like it's fucking sucks. But it is genuinely something that everyone has experienced on some level or the other. So I think it's not about like, and like Dia always said, there was no emphasis on us as individuals. That's why like the mask and the, you know, everything was very like, these are just kind of symbols for anyone.
Like the mask, of course, for COVID, obviously.
Yeah, no,
but
it
but
lends itself
also
to that
because
thing also,
it's
yeah.
a nameless,
Yeah.
faceless woman, in the sense it's
Yeah.
you and it's everybody else.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's not just,
It
so
would've
that's why, and I
worked
feel
without
like a
the
lot
mask
of people were very happy, like they really liked the idea of the mask, because the eyes were
the main thing that you had
the
to
main
focus on.
thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we had a very good makeup artist called Anisa Oberoi, who did our
Shout out
eyes
to
very
Anisa.
dramatic.
Where's
And
Anisa? Forgot him. Just like this.
listen,
Would have put
if
a
I had
nice
brought,
picture.
if I had brought 2 more people here, what would their halat have been?
I would
You
have
would have-
figured it out. I would have
Yeah.
complained, but I would have figured
Okay,
it
We
out.
would have just made them
Yeah,
sit
crouch
down.
on
They
the
would have,
ground.
no, I'd put them there and I'd have another
No, but
camera
like, so
on and I'd
Anisa-
green screen them here behind us.
Yeah. But Anisa was like, you know, when she came to my makeup, she was telling me like, you're wearing a mask. So, I mean, how much do you actually want me to do? But actually, the makeup made the whole thing very dramatic,
that's
because
right.
half the shots are just on my eyes, and then when she gets revealed, she has a liner, which is
It
I
the
know.
whole
Tells you
point. It immediately tells you she's a woman, right?
Yeah, it tells you exactly.
Because
who
without
that
the
person
liner,
is.
you wouldn't have been able to tell that I was a woman.
I never said that.
No, but in
I
the
just
sense that makeup kind of helps
It- yeah,
it sell
helps
that,
it,
okay,
helps
this
it,
is
yeah.
a person
And
who's come from
when we
somewhere,
were
something
shooting,
like that.
Dia kept referring to me as the man. Like, she would keep saying, and Ritvik would so sweetly just like be like, Sanaya. And she'd be like, so the guy is walking towards us, and Ritvik would be like, okay, Sanaya is now coming in. The man. Girl A, or it was
and
girl
I
A
would
and
keep
girl
referring
B.
to myself as girl.
Yeah.
And Ritu was like, who is girl? Who is girl? Is it you or Sanaya? And I was like, no, Sanaya is guy.
Sanaya is the
She's
man.
and I'm the girl. And he's like, why can't you just call you and Sanaya?
There you go, see, I told you.
Oh,
I was
no.
waiting
Is
for
that
to
it?
happen. No, yours is still going.
Oh,
Now, yeah.
okay.
Check.
Check.
Do you want us to move a little bit? Because I feel like I'm like wasting a lot of space
No,
here.
it's okay. Now
Kind
I'm
of
committed to this.
leaning into
I'm
dearest.
leaning in
Yeah.
like this and that's it. It's fine as long as they can
No.
hear me, I don't care. It's really that's fine.
Cool.
This green screen can put like see that's the thing, right? I'm a little bit here, so I could end up taking this green screen and putting just this my section of video behind you. guys
Correct.
Again. I could do anything with this.
He's a master at his
So,
craft.
I'm kind of banking on
Exciting,
that.
exciting.
Interesting.
Very exciting.
Okay, so
Ah.
now taking everything that you learned from making this first movie,
Mm-hmm.
you think it'll be easier to make another one?
Yes, I already have my other idea.
Oh shit. Can we get a scoop?
No.
No?
No, but it'll be a social thing again.
Okay.
Because that's my vibe. And I just really like social films. I like making them. I like understanding people, and and especially I feel like I live in a country where if I don't try and understand how this country actually lives,
Yeah.
what am I doing? That's what I'm saying. Like I really want to make a movie on something that matters. That's why I made this one.
Yeah.
I did I'm at a loss for words because I'm
No, but
tearing
it's
up.
good. See, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
basically, and I think you'll be good at it also because you're able to find like a singular point and kind of tell the story around that.
I just like
And not-
slice of life things,
Exactly. Yeah, where you don't have
So-
to fill it up with too many
No,
other things. Also.
no.
It's just about this one
Just
thing.
about, yeah.
So it's good. So okay, now that's everything that I thought of talking about for the movie. What about the funny videos, Diya?
What funny videos?
When are we getting the funny Diya Parak videos?
Bapre, right now I'm like expecting my period and I'm in no mood to be funny right now. Soon.
Okay.
Right now I'm on a senti high, baby.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can't. You
I
can't.
understand.
Feeling all the emotions.
No, but let's just talk about Sanaya.
Okay.
Because Sanaya really she was so is like such a calming presence even on, I'm gonna call it on set to be fancy, but it was
No,
really
but
on the road.
We
technically
were.
On
yeah,
set,
yeah, yeah.
she's a very calming presence on set. She held my chappals, she held my high heels, she did everything, and she always just calmed me down. Because actually Ritvik is super calm, you can't get more calm than Ritvik. But Sanaya was just a very nice, comforting presence, except for the occasional times where she demanded limbu pani and she was like, I'm a
At
star and where's my limbu pani
I was
and what kind of
obviously-
shoot is this?
I was There's a certain level of professionalism that I expected,
Of course.
and
sadly it was not
it was not
delivered.
received because I was just like Ritvik was nice enough to let me sit in his car,
Yeah.
but Diya was quite a tyrant. In the best was, I'll tell you that we'll talk about something. So basically, we were on this street, right?
Oh no.
And Diya had spoken to her friend's parents and was like, I'm going to be filming on the street. So just in the case that there's some problem, back me up. So he was like, yeah, whatever. So the film included a bit of running, right?
Yeah.
So it's like 2 a.m. Okay, quiet, empty street. And then you hear Diya in her high heels going tuck, 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 running. Okay, so then this guy comes down. Okay, and it was really hot. Okay, this was like November. So, and we were wearing jackets and like makeup and everything. And I was like, so every chance we'd get, because it was just the three of us, we'd take our masks off. So we have our masks off, and this guy comes down, okay, and he's like, who are y'all? Why y'all here? And the second someone sees a camera, they're just like, oh my god, we can just like, whatever. And so the guy comes up to us and he's like, y'all aren't even wearing masks. And Diya, with her mask off in her hand, takes her mask, puts it on her face and says, I am wearing my mask. And the guy's just like,
Bro, I was
and I
in
was
the
like,
role.
Diya, don't fight with him. Just like with people like this, you just have to be nice and be like, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. Like and let it like, simmer down, because he was also like quite aggressive. She just went for it. She was like so scared that they were going to tell us to leave. She fought with that guy and was like, I am wearing my mask. I have permission.
I'm standing up for women.
Yeah.
And
you could have told us the
ain't
whole
nobody
story.
kicking me off the street.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
because
yeah.
I had to shoot my movie and I was like, come hell or high water.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
movie is getting shot tonight. Even if I have to
Yeah, that
scrounge
was-
under some car and shoot it, I'm finishing the movie because I couldn't take one
And
more night of this 5
no,
a.m.
and then then
Yeah.
after like an hour or so, this guy left, and then suddenly some voice from one of the buildings was like, leave from here. What are y'all doing? Y'all are not allowed.
Where were
Leave.
you filming?
No, like that, let's not.
That was
Yeah, let's not.
No, but
This is going on the internet, so it's okay. Like,
that's
it's
true, that's
fine.
true. No,
But-
actually say the place up.
No.
Retracted.
Well, my heels woke up the whole
old-
everybody,
old
but like
bald
whatever. The
men.
point is that now I get it. I would also, if I was old, be cranky about like people running down. No, I wouldn't because I am a nice person. But whatever,
And
it's
really,
fine.
We really were
It was
not
a bit of adventure.
It was
Those
fun, it
poor
was fun.
watchmen were like, what the fuck is going on? Because
Yeah.
I'm charging down the street drama, and all the shots. So when I'm looking through all the old shots, okay, it's just me like just
But-
strutting off into the distance, and Ritvik saying, Diya,
Yeah,
Diya, and Sanaya's like, Diya, come back, Diya, come back, and I just walk because I'm so engrossed in the
Which
role.
shot are you Which shot are you walking
Just
so far in?
a lot.
All of them. When
Oh,
we
you
were
just
taking my
kept
back
walking?
shots, I was so engrossed in the role. I was like, no, I didn't even think there's no camera in front of you to capture all your dramatic.
Oh, behind you. You just
But I was
kept
just in it.
walking.
I was just in it. What to do?
She
I
was
was just
in
in
it.
it. She was in it. She was in it.
She was in
She
it.
was-
In the moment.
No, I just couldn't
then-
believe that I was like making a film, and I was so excited, and I felt so happy, and it was
Yeah,
such
it
an.
was
I
pretty
can't get over the fact that there were shots where you had to walk and you just
No,
kept
no,
walking.
and then Ritvik had to get a laser and be like, point like, Diya, walk till there. Don't go further
So
than
the
that.
first day, I'm guessing there's a lot of trial and
Yeah.
more
The,
error.
the second day
Second day was the
long.
shoot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Technically,
Yeah.
It was,
the
and Diya
first
told
road
me.
was shot on the
Hmm.
first day, and the second whole part was shot on the second day.
And Diya told me that it would only take 1 day.
Did I?
And it
Oh.
was great. It was great. We
Wait,
had
so
a, we
the
had a,
first road, there's not that much there though.
No, but it was
Yeah.
it was more of what lighting do we want? Where would you like to
Ah.
shoot it? Then Ritvik kept saying, okay, here. And actually, what broke my heart the most was the amount of footage I had to cut. I remember we spoke about this.
Yeah.
I had to cut
Hmm.
so much stuff that I just loved was
Yeah.
mercilessly cut from
That's
the
the reason.
yeah.
but
What can you do?
You initially wanted it to be 1 minute long,
Yep.
if I recall correctly.
And the first walk of me walking with
1
that
minute
cat is
long.
1 minute long. Yeah.
But it
fuck.
changes now from time to time.
Yeah.
Because to actually get something like that to 1 minute, it has to be like
Yeah.
each shot
Yeah.
has to be okay. The next thing. Next
Correct,
thing,
correct,
Thing.
correct.
You wouldn't have had time to build up as much as you did. So
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't keep it.
Yeah,
to 1
exactly.
Hmm.
And I feel like it's like everything is so fast paced that even though it is like 3.5 minutes or 4 minutes, you don't feel it because you're like everything's moving so quickly and shots are changing and you're like so visually stimulated that you don't feel like, you know, oh, like what's happening. you
Yeah.
know?
Mhm.
It's
So
quick.
true.
I'm out of questions, guys.
No. I'll just wrap up by saying
Yeah.
that like I made it because I don't walk on the road, and I've never walked on the road where I'm not looked at.
Oh yeah.
I'm not stared at. And I feel like all women
I thought you were saying.
All-
Sorry, no, continue. I'm
this
sorry.
is not the time to make jokes. So I've never walked on the road when I'm not looked at. And see, men taking women's issues seriously,
No,
right?
I thought you were saying something else. I'm being serious.
No, I'm
What
joking.
you're saying
What
is
were you saying? No,
serious.
let's fight like that.
When you said I made it, I thought you were like, yeah, I made it, guys. I made it.
Dude,
I'm That's what I thought
I'm
you were saying.
so
made it.
underconfident. I'd probably never say that even if I did
That's
make
why-
it.
so
No,
but
no,
what
no.
you're saying
You
is
should
right.
you
It's
should
so
be
fun.
so proud of what you've done. You
I'm
shouldn't
very
be
proud.
underconfident. You should just be so proud that you've put something out there that's reached so many people.
Yeah.
And that's just like so
And
intersectional.
UNICEF shared it,
Yeah.
which is
What?
big.
When?
Yeah, on Saturday.
I didn't
They
know
put
that.
on their
That's
story.
great.
I know,
Pretty cool, yeah.
which is pretty cool.
For Women's Day. only?
Yeah.
That's
And wait, I was saying something. Oh yeah. So I've never walked on the road where I haven't been stared at, and I feel like this is a very common thing, and all women can relate to this.
Yeah.
And that's why I just made it because like there have been so many times where I've like zipped up my jacket and I've held my purse really tightly, and I've just been really scared. And that's why I made it because I feel like nobody deserves to feel that way. And if you've never been in that situation, you can't understand it. Like you can't understand what it feels like to walk on the road and have people look at you. It's horrible. It's like an invasion of privacy. And they're looking at, it doesn't matter what you wear, it doesn't matter what time of day or night it is. It's just,
Yeah.
they just stare anyway. And staring is the least of the
Yeah.
thing.
And it's not even about like it's like the way that you're being looked at. You know,
Yeah.
it's like there's a difference between me like seeing a pretty girl on the street and being like, oh, I really like her dress versus like being looked at with like just like it's just like she said, it's just like a violating feeling. And,
Yeah.
you know, it's just I don't know. It's
And it's just very clear where they're looking. So it's not, you can't even mistake it. You can't even like sort of say in your like try and like make it better for yourself and be like, okay, it was a mistake. Maybe they weren't looking. They are looking, and they're looking at exactly what you think they're looking at. So it's horrible. It's genuinely horrible. I'm very passionate about this issue.
and
I
the-
don't leave my house without a jacket.
No,
Tanay,
that's
I
just
was
passionate.
shrugged to
No,
come
no,
to
no,
your
no, no,
house.
No.
Yeah, she-
I'm not.
No.
Just the word passionate was like,
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it. But I
No.
understand what you're saying.
No, I'm very passionate about the
Yeah.
cause, and
because
I
it's something that you it's not even a cause, it's something that you have experienced and you experience every day.
Yeah.
And like
yeah.
you know it and another thing is like even with the whole film and everything, it's just like you just always expect the worst. To protect yourself, you always in the back of your mind is like even with me, like when I meet someone for the first time, I'm like, best case scenario, they're nice. Worst case, like they fucking kill me and shove me in their trunk. You know,
Yeah.
like it's like your mind genuinely goes there because, and it may seem illogical, but it's not.
No,
Like
it's
it's like
not,
it's like a disgusting, sad reality that your first like instinct is to be like
Yeah.
just assume the worst.
Like
You know?
literally, I wash rug to your house, and you live opposite me,
Yeah.
and I'm wearing a normal shirt.
I know.
I just don't like it.
Yeah.
And anyway, Kolaba is super seedy.
Yeah.
So
That's
yeah.
not Kolaba hard, dude.
no, not Kolaba is not seedy. I
No,
mean,
but
just
you're right.
generally,
I'm
We
making-
won't-
everywhere
we
in the
won't put that
world
in
is
the
seedy.
video.
Yeah,
I'm
let's take that out.
I'm making jokes just to kind of like
No,
I don't
no.
know, say anything because what you're saying is right.
No,
and
it's
there's
Yeah.
true.
nothing
But there's
say
nothing to
except,
say. That's why even in
Right.
my film, nothing is said. Because what more can we say? Like, how much can we fight for our rights?
Mhm,
Literally,
mhm.
And-
it's a basic like necessity to be able to walk home without fearing for your safety.
Mhm.
Like it's a basic thing that we don't have.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
All I can say is yes.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
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 Yeah. And I feel like, as they say, there's nothing left to say.
Oh my
I
God.
feel like there's a lot
That's
that we can-
awful.
There's a
No,
lot to
it's not
say.
a good
I
way
can
to
I
end
can
it.
talk I can talk a
Go
lot,
for
but
it,
like
just keep
no,
going.
I feel like I've had to just not speak because this is Dia's moment.
No, I beg
No,
you,
go
speak.
ahead.
Dia's moment is over.
No,
Dia had a
no,
moment.
no.
No, Dia had a moment. Dia's
Yeah,
done.
yeah, she's
No,
done.
Dia talks too much anyway.
No, I just think it was like a
I'll
great
green screen over her.
it was just a great process, and it was great to watch. Like I still remember when Dia called me up and like told me the story, and I was like she said, I was like immediately I was like, yes, I will do it. You
Mhm.
know? And it's because it was so relatable, but at the same time it was like this story that was kind of unexpected.
Mhm.
So it was like really sad that I could feel it so personally, but at
Yeah.
the same time it was like I want to be a part of something like this, you know. And I'm so glad that I did, because I feel like I, even from the technical side, like learned so much from Dia and Ritvik and got to see like the process behind how things are done and how much effort and time and just like this is so personal to her. And I feel like you can see it through the film, you know, like you can see how much effort and how much attention to like small details there are. And I think that's so important, and eventually that's what makes a piece of art, is when you see the artist putting in so much time and effort and not being like, you know, this is just something I want to put on social media and this is just something I want to like get out there and like, you know, whatever. It's a genuine connection between the person creating it and the work that's finally put out there. And that's why I was like, a part of me was like, come on Dia, just like get this over with, but the other half of me was like, take your time with this, because I can see how attached you are to it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
usually I would say like you can't be so attached to things you're creating, especially when you're a perfectionist, because like it's like I was talking to my brother about this when he was like, when is it coming out, you know, and it was literally like a analysis paralysis that you were experiencing, because you just kept like, but I think at the end of it worked out perfectly, because you put out something that was just
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
so good.
And even now, when I see it, like, I can't even believe it's there. Like, when I see, like, a short film by Dia, I'm like, what? Like, sometimes I just see it and I'm like,
it's good.
Yeah.
It's good. It's an important first step, I think, which
Hmm.
you also needed to take for yourself. more than
Yeah.
anything else, so it's good.
Yes.
yes,
That's a nice ending.
that's a good ending.
Say goodbye. to
Bye.
millions of Kannada people.
Watch Not Alone on my
Diya Parak.
IGTV at
Diya-
Diya Parak.
How do you spell it?
DIY.
You know, I didn't know how to spell Parak for many years. And I've
Okay.
known her since I was born. And I didn't know how to spell it.
Are you
for many-
serious?
Yeah, I really did. I thought it was with an E.
No.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
But that is a common
So
mistake.
that's not that bad. But
No,
I
it's
didn't
not.
know.
DIYAA. PARK.
But
Just how you
since
spell
I
it.
was born, since my consciousness was formed, I knew you.
Yeah, we were like, we were in the hospital together.
Yeah.
That's cute.
And look at how different we look now.
Can't.
This is it. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
That's it.